Hi. Today I will discuss about the SRC folder in the my first app. So here you can, after creation of the project, you can identify this app. Here app module.ts file. This is a root module of an Angular application. So it starts with an app module.ts. This root module of Angular application, we can create the component under the root module. It has an ng module decorator. So in the ng module decorator, you can see declarations. In the declaration, you can provide the components. And after that, it having imports array. In the imports array, you can import required modules, and in providers you can provide some services. In the bootstrap, app component can be placed, so which is used to bootstrap an Angular application. This is a root component. So in the root component, after creation of that project, you can identify app component.css, app component.html, and spec file and ts file. In the ts file, you can put some logic in the class, and app component spec file is used for testing purpose. App component html, you can give the template part, means you can see the UI part of an Angular application. So after that, you can style all the elements in the HTML by using the CSS, and another way is also there, that is style.ts. For example, it will in the style.css, which is global. Global one means if you want to complete page styling by using this style.ts file, if you want to style on a particular component, you can directly be written in this app component.css file. Here you can identify app routing module.ts file. In the app routing module.ts file, you can identify routes. So here you can identify routes with the array. In the array, you can provide some objects related to the particular routing pages. Later we will discuss clearly about that app routing module.ts. In the @ng module, here you can identify router module.forRoute routes, so which is mandatory for routing module. So when we created this Angular project, it will defaultly you can rise. So exports also, it will default one. So yeah, later we can discuss app routing module.ts file in detail, and you can later chapters I will discuss about the component. In the component, you can identify some imports components, so selectors, template URLs, style URLs, and exports class. And I will create a component with Angular CLI and a new custom component in the next class. Thank you.